for winning this final match here. There's a lot of pressure. And finally, they won the match. So the highest wicket taker from the low budget team, he is none other than the team captain, Rongphar. Let's call him up. And to hand over this, I would like to call Agyas Harsing Tiso to hand over this trophy along with a $5,000 check. In the final match, why your team scored only 52 runs? You have any higher expectation that you wanted to score more?
Yeah, it was a game of cricket. It's a game of uncertainty. So it's our batsmen also in the opening they can score a good run for the team. And myself as a team captain, I could even score a single run from my team today. This one, it was a. But then the bowlers of Police Reserve bowl very well. They bowl very well.
11, only the playing 11 would receive the medal.
Joy Singh Tiso. Nasi alang lipan si tami puhui pakpen kartu ponji pansi suning ripon lo.
Last na.
Alang lihat lo nilitum hal labang so se kethi. Ahor mu si tami nang serap dun. Alang litum mahin kan lo.
Low budget. That is Sirvomu Vlogs. And I would like to hand over, I would like to call Mr. Rongphar to come over here and to give a presentation. This is man of the series. In Delhi, I've been performing in Guwahati, I've been performing here. Everyone is facing money problems. Oh brother, oh sister, have you ever faced a money problem? It's a money world. Everything depends on money. And when you don't have money in your hand, oh feeling matha go rom, oh matha go rom. Feeling headache, oh headache. I'm just a country boy. I live in Karbi Anglong. Oh brother, oh sister, you know what? I had a crush on one beautiful girl. She is not from India. There is a problem of transportation, etc. But the big problem is money. Rupiah. Tangka. Heartbroken. Oh, broken. I'm just a country boy. I live in Karbi Anglong. Mobile phone. I am using mobile phone. You also using mobile phone. Everybody using mobile phone. What a poriborton. This is poriborton. Sometimes mobile phone is very dangerous. They've let people fight for chota mota. Boyfriend getting girlfriend's busy. Girlfriend's getting boyfriend's busy. What a mobile phone making people confusion. Mobile phone. Sometimes you forget to eat and drink but never forget mobile phone. Everywhere you go, whether in your pocket or in your bed, even mobile phone. Sometimes mobile phone is missing our time. That makes people lazy, busy, simply. Boys playing PUBG game, Mobile Legend, Free Fire. Girls watching serial, Sabdhan India. Small children watching Cartoon Network, Tom and Jerry. What a mobile phone making people addicted.
Joy pero malam kamu gilane nang saya paralos kan mundo putih kato jana joy ne nang thanang juahe jom si hope tulote ne jisita me kangama be hope dolore kanang kan sing benang kacinta Rumbo jijian Tomsi juji nang kablane senge alam Toko kajo jagat kapere nang kan Jong simo nang karnam Kilde dokap nepan Kedo jinang aban Inek jo jinepan Jo jagong
Team captain and all his team to come over here and receive a golden trophy. I would like to call to present this. I would like to call Mojasi Episode to come over here and hand over a $20,000 check. This is such a. They played really well. They worked very hard. So, Mr. Team Captain, how do you feel after winning this match?
I'm feeling so excited and grateful to win the match. And I would like to thank the whole team of PRCC. They have done very well. And yeah, especially I'm so happy I'm the first time I'm the captain of this team. And I'm so happy.
So, you feel any pressure after the Lobas are scoring 52 runs and your team face a little bit trouble? So, any comments on that?
I don't think so because all the players are very confident as I know. And especially I know that all the players are very good, so I don't get any pressure.
So that means you're expected to win in the upcoming matches.
Yeah, absolutely. We are so confident.
Congratulations.